In the previous video, we showed how we can create a full-blown essay using GPT Workspace. Now let's see if we can improve it. So we're going to launch the add-on here. We're going to select this text and we're going to ask, please improve this text to make it longer. All right, so now it will take this text and create a kind of a longer paragraph on it. So we're going to copy it and add it back. Going to remove the context. And now we have a bigger text first paragraph, which is very useful if you want to create a longer essay. So that's it. This is a very short video to show you how you can go step by step to improve certain paragraph of the first draft you made.